Hello everyone. Today, in this video, we will explain the terminal connections and settings of the Automatic Power Factor Controller APFC 312. So, let's start with the terminal connections. For the terminal connection, first, take the main lines R, Y, B, and neutral from the transformer that pass through the MCCB to the load. Connect these to the instrument's terminals 4, 5, 6, and 7 for voltage connections. Now, to provide auxiliary supply, take the line connection from any one of R, Y, or B and connect it to terminal 1. And take a neutral connection to connect it to terminal 2. Now, for the CT connections, you need to install 3 CTs on the main lines R, Y, and B. Connect the RCT to terminals 8 and 9, the YCT to terminals 10 and 11, and the BCT to terminals 12 and 13. For the capacitor bank connected to the main lines, the relay connections will be made through the contactors to terminals 23 to 34. For this, connect a common phase to terminal 18. Then, install a capacitor CT in any one line of the capacitor bank and connect it to the instrument's terminals 14 and 15 at S1 and S2. The importance of connecting the capacitor CT to the instrument is that it allows you to monitor the current of each capacitor bank. This helps in identifying if the current of any capacitor bank decreases, enabling timely replacement. This ensures that the power factor is maintained throughout the panel's lifetime without compromising the PF value, thereby improving efficiency. Lastly, terminal 19 is for the alarm connection and terminal 20 is for the fan connection. To proceed to the settings, press and hold the set key. The display will show password. The password is 10. Use the up key to set it to 10, then press the set key. Next, the display will prompt you to set the main CT value. Here, enter the primary value of your main CT. For example, if your CT has a value of 125, set it to 125. The instrument supports CT values in the range of 5 to 99.99. After that, set the value of your capacitor CT according to its rating. Next, the display will show set PF, power factor. Set this value as per your requirement. Then, the display will show the hysteresis value. Any capacitor bank will turn on only when the required KVAR value matches the value you set here. Lastly, it will display the capacitor bank switching time, where you can configure the time settings as needed. Next is the minimum current required setting. This means the APFC 312 will only start controlling when the CT on the secondary side registers at least 30 mA of current. For capacitor bank settings, press and hold the set key again. The display will prompt for a password, which is 15. Set the password to 15, then press set. The display will now show 3 modes. 1. KVAR mode. In this mode, the capacitor bank will achieve the set value in a single step. 2. Intelligent mode. In this mode, the capacitor bank will switch on step by step until the required PF is achieved. 3. Manual mode. In this mode, you can manually switch the capacitor bank on and off using the up and down keys. Press the set key to confirm your selection. You will now have the option to manually enter the values for the capacitor bank. If you have installed a capacitor CT, select CCT. The APFC 312 will then automatically switch on the capacitor banks one by one and measure their values. If you have not installed a capacitor CT, you must manually set the value of each capacitor bank based on its KVAR rating. For example, if one capacitor is rated at 2 kVAR, you can manually set this value using the up key. Currently, our set PF is 0.998. Press the set key and the display will show the required KVAR, indicating how much KVAR is needed to achieve a 1 power factor. Press the set key again and the display will show the current of the capacitor bank. Next, it will show the total kW. Press set again and it will display the total KVAR. Press set once more and it will show the total kVA. The next display will show kW for line 1, line 2 and line 3. Following this, it will display KVAR for line 1, line 2 and line 3. Press set again and it will show the apparent power for all 3 phases. Next, it will display the amperes for line 1, line 2 and line 3. Lastly, it will show the voltages for all 3 lines. The subsequent display will show the values of the capacitor banks. We hope this video helps you in using our instrument effectively. To explore more about our products, please visit our website or contact our team.